Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can send message on your TikTok account, alright? So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, open your TikTok and at the bottom where it says inbox, click on inbox. Once you click on inbox, at the top right corner you can see a little arrow pointing at the top. Click on it and it's going to take you to the messaging sector, and over here you can message whoever friend you want, alright? And click on the friend you want to message and you can write them any message you want. Once you send them a message, it's going to be sent to them. But remember, in order for the other person to receive the message, they need to be following you. So how the messaging feature of TikTok works is you need to follow them and the person also needs to follow you, and then only you can message each other. Otherwise your message is going to be sent, but until and unless the person follows you, he's not going to receive it. For an example, let me just show you guys. I'm going to go to a celebrity account. Next. So I'll try to message Mr. Beast, alright? I follow him. I click on message, I write hi, and it's not going to be sent because he doesn't follows me. I only follow him, alright? So this is how this thing works. The person needs to be following you and you need to be following them in order for you to message each other. So that's how it works. Hope you understand. Bye-bye.